Hi, Paige.
Hi, Paula.
Are you coming to our ByAnnie's event we have next week?
I'm thinking about it. I love bags.
Oh, they are so handy.
Yeah.
This is actually one of the projects that we'll be doing in class. This is part of the Glow and Go that comes with this little bag as well. So we'll be learning different types of techniques. And look, this has iron-on vinyl that we have here at the store. So you can get those supplies here.
That would be really nice for makeup supplies, so it doesn't
Yes.
stain my pretty fabric.
Look at that. Actually, this is the one we'll be doing on Thursday, which we will also pair with the Clam It Up bag.
Ooh, very cute. Oh,
Yes.
there's different sizes.
There is. Look how cute these guys are.
Oh my. Oh my.
So this is a great technique to do that with this technique you can do lots of the different bags that we have here. On July 13th we'll actually be doing this Easy Does It bag.
Ooh.
Look how fun. Stands up on its own and has a little handle here.
Oh, they have two hands. And
Yes.
oh my.
Look at that. And for traveling purposes, this is great. It's called Pocket Packers. So this is the other one we'll be doing on the 13th, and it's got vinyl pockets, zippers, and then on the back has a large mesh pocket.
You know, this would be really good for transporting around projects that you're working on and all the supplies that you need for the project.
Yep.
Especially when you come to classes.
That's so true. Or for your suitcase, you can hang it on a hanger and it'll lay flat.
Very nice.
Yes, so this is the Easy Does It and the Pocket Packers that we'll be doing then on the 13th.
So do we have anything going on before the 2-day hands-on classes that we're having?
We do. We actually have ByAnnie coming on the 11th where she'll be showing her all of her different patterns. Here is actually one of her newest patterns, the In Control.
Ooh.
So she will be having all sorts of different patterns featured. We've got all her mesh and zippers in the store so you can coordinate to different fabrics. This one is so fun. Look at that.
Oh, is that chalk fabric that you
is.
can write on?
This is chalk fabric. It's got little pockets and they can hang right on the door.
That is so cute. So how much does this all cost?
Great question. So the trunk show is only $20 and we actually have two different times.
Okay.
One, you can come at 10 a.m. and hang out with us, or you can come at 3 p.m., whichever works best for your schedule. Now, as far as the hands-on classes, you can come to one day, or you could come to both days and save $50 if you sign up for both days.
That's awesome.
Yes, so normally $149, it'd only be $249 for both days.
Oh, I like saving money.
Yes, yes. And there's only a few spots left, so make sure you sign up today.
I'm gonna go sign up right now.
Did you know we also have this pre-quilted fabric that you can purchase? It's enough to make all 4 projects.
That is so cool. And this quilting is so pretty.
Yes.
I love that. That would save me so much time before the class.
Yep, it's all quilted, ready to go, so you just have to come to class and start cutting it out.
How much is this?
It's only $49.99.
That's not bad, full quilted. I think I'll add one of these on to the 2 classes.
Perfect.